The boys, Michael and his team. We know that the last trophy we won was in 2017 Sekafa. This was a 4 Nations tournament, not easy. And the team has gone and got a win, so I want to congratulate them. I want to also congratulate the coach for setting up this and working so hard over these years to do this. And I want to say just a few things. One is that we are very elated, but this is just the beginning. So while we are happy, we are not celebrating yet because there's much more to come and the plan is there to do. I just ask for more support and thank everyone that's been involved in doing this. Not easy. We have gone through a painful stretch before, and today we have won. We have a trophy in front of you, and I want to thank everybody for the job they have done and for leadership they provided to have the team and do that. So for me to thank everyone and every Kenyan that supported us on the way. Now we go to June and we get ready for match day 4 Burundi and for Ivory Coast as well.
So I think this team deserves really support, which is lacking till now, and I hope from now on the belief in this team will get higher, that these boys who are representing Kenya well get the opportunity to do higher and greater things.
I'd like to thank each and everyone who has been involved in one way or the other. First of all, to thank God, for helping us clinch this trophy. It's really important. It's a good confidence booster, for the boys. And the team is now coming up quite well. We really have a good squad of young players and experienced boys. So we used it as a good preparation. Now come June, where the real games will be coming, match day 3 and match day 4. We want to produce good results, bearing in mind that we are going to play at home. But we just want to thank also each and every person who supported us, starting from the Federation, Kenyans at large, for supporting us. We urge them to continue supporting this team because now we are coming up quite strongly, and we hope to continue producing good results.